Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about internet computer because they have a big hype around this project lately on Google and on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. So I decided to talk about it because when they have on the big hype and you are on the top 20, it's for a reason behind it. So just before moving on, I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel, Crypto and Coffee. The first one, it's naturally subscribe to this channel right now. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. It's very important to help this channel. And at the end of the video, if you find interesting what I'm talking about, just leave a nice comment, or you want me to share your knowledge, wisdom, or whatever you have in mind, go for it, leave a nice comment. I'm going to answer the best as I can. As well, what you can do is to press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day, my friend, at 9 years to time. And as well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the stream at school. Thank you. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to internet computer. We know that it's a big hype behind it, but they have a reason. And I started to write some few articles on my crypto blog, cheysatoshi.com. You might go check as well. And I will write another ones for Monday. So it's really important to understand why. And when you go right from the page on the main page of Definity, you don't understand what they want to accomplish. So I find the best thing I found on the website, it's this descriptions, a document that explains at high level what they want to accomplish. Because sometimes when you go to the main page of certain type of project, you not understand out of the box. You need always understand the proper easy way for anyone to understand what you want to accomplish to the worst. So let's go back to the essentials. So internet computers equal network plus compute. A blockchain network that involves the internet. Put a reflection in mind. So this is very intriguing. So the next slide. A paradigm shift that will change everything. What's going to change everything? So they have an incentive to keep going with, when you say a paradigm shift that will change everything. It's the way you're thinking, the way you doing something. That is very intriguing. So this slide I'm going to skip at the one as well. So this is really important to see the evolution of blockchain technology. We know that Bitcoin is the first that created this whole crypto spheres. So the third grade generation in blockchains. The first one, 2009, cryptocurrency first edition, playing the role of digital gold. And this is all about because Bitcoin is digital gold. 2015, smart contract, second generation, powering the DeFi revolutions. Third wave, 2021, infinite blockchain, reimagine how you build everything out of the ground. This is very intriguing, very intriguing. Reimagine how you build everything. A blockchain with seamless infinite capacity. We don't know yet, but it's coming. I'm just going to switch sides. Sorry about it. So a blockchain with seamless infinite capacity. Okay, now we start to enter in the core of what is internet computer. The internet computer is created by the ICP protocol. Internet computer has formed the world's first web serving public blockchain network, which can grow its capacity with demand and is self-governing. It combines special node machines run en masse by independent parties from independent data center around the world. Like all blockchain, it's unstoppable and the code is and tamper-proof. And this is what I like. It's tamper-proof and is run by independent node around the globe on data centers. So you have the layers of internet computer public cyberspace. You have the ECP protocol. You have the stack, the IP internet, and you have the layers of data centers. This is really cool. So the internet computer has a special smart contract called canister. They call it canister, and probably that's the same as every blockchain. You have a smart contract, but now they decided the internet computer to call it canisters. So you have the smart contract canister, you have the memory page, and the WebAssembly bytecode. So what is cool about canisters? It can host any number of canister code plus data. It can run them concurrently. So you can run multiple canister or smart contract over this data centers. And what is create? Unbounded on-chain capacity, and the app that scale to the moon. I really love this one. So you can canister are unstoppable and tamper-proof. It can resist a nuclear bomb. This is really insane when you think. So what you need to remember about canister smart contract: unstoppable, tamper-proof. Canisters can serve web content directly to end users. User can interact with blockchain services without holding token. This is very intriguing, my friend, because you have this canister smart contract, and you can create a website over it, and you can access anyone in the world, and nobody can shut down your website. And this is really powerful. If we come back to this two powerful words from this project: unstoppable, to put it in mind, and tamper-proof as well. Can resist a nuclear bomb. So what kind of thing you can build over it? So this is really important to ask this question. The internet computer can be used to build many things better. As well, you have this screen that is powerful. You have 4 layers: the data center, IP internet, and ICP protocol, and internet computer. But you can run different kind of stuff over it. Sorry. And just for example, on this powerful slide, is tokenized internet services, pan-industry platforms, DeFi and smart contract, like every blockchain ecosystem that provides smart contract out of the box. Enterprise systems. This is very interesting. I cannot say what kind of system for enterprise you can run over it, but this seems very intriguing. And websites. So you can build website that is unstoppable and tamper-proof. Really cool. So blockchain is now a complete alternative to the traditional ID stack. So I just repeat again, blockchain is now a complete alternative to the traditional IT stack. What's that mean? No legacy IT might mean no need to big tech either. So I'm just read again, no legacy IT might mean no need for big tech either. So big tech cloud services machine, database system, main cache, file system, firewalls, web servers, DNS services, antivirus, CDNs, and VPNs. So out of the box, when you look at this slide, you cannot understand, but you have the answer on the next slide. So no, you don't need. So basically, when you use that, from my understanding, when you use that slide, or not that slide, but this solution, you can cut on your server machine. You can remove data system. You can remove main cache. You can remove the file system, firewalls, and web base, and so on. Developer build simply by uploading canister into cyberspace. Such strange. So you have the developer, you deploy the canisters onto this data center, internet computers, public cyberspace, and then you can access end users right away. The internet computer's purpose is to host humanity, logic, and data. So I don't believe that everything will run over here, because I think this won't be a solution that multiple people's project will use. People with access without knowing they use the internet computer, like they don't know which website resides this type of information when you access a website, when you make your research on Google. I think it will have a place for both and parallel. This is my point of view. The tokenomics, how computation is paid for. This is important because you need to have an economic behind it. So canister, I pre-charge it with cycles that fuels the computation. User don't pay as on Ethereum. I'm going to read the information. It's really hard to understand, to read it, but having canister smart contract pay for their own computation. It's sometimes known as reverse gas model because the internet computer use this model. User who don't own token can easily interact with hosted services such as that they don't even have the total services number running on a blockchain. I'm just reading again. So such that they don't even have to be told as services is running on a blockchain. So you can access website, you can interact with services without the need to stake or to pay for the transaction. So they introduce as contract that's a storage cycle about to burden by computations. ICP token can be converted into cycle, computation burn cycle. So they have charging, they have data center sell ICP, financial exchange operator by ICP, operator convert ICP into cycle, and so on. You have a loop. So you have the protocol pay for ICP data center. So you need to pay for data centers to have computation. How to unlock immense entrepreneurial y'all and opportunity. I'm just going to read again. I need some coffee just before moving on. I want you to take a couple of action on this great channel. First one is subscribe, smash the like button, leave a nice comment below, press the bell notification, and spread the love about it. It's a great channel, IT workplace, industry at school. You have all my credit. So, how to unlock immense entrepreneurial opportunity? Win by building open internet services. Open internet services are controlled by tokenized governance system. Very intriguing. An open internet services run as part of the fabric of the internet. It's comprised of autonomous canister controlled, configured, and upgraded by a transparent, open, tokenized governance system. So community member stake governance token to participate in voting. You have the investors, end users, developer, entrepreneur, open tokenized governance system, open internet services, autonomous canisters, and then they have the end users device. So this is the way to decentralize this project, so you can vote for the futures of what's going to bring, what solution, and so on and on. So entrepreneurs or developers can raise funds by selling governance token. 99% of the world's technical talent reside outside of Silicon Valley, where there is very little venture capital. Open internet services will finally unlock the potential of worldwide talent through token-based fundraising. So you have the token investor, so you have the EXS governance, so you have the solutions to bring to the market for this ecosystem. You have the end users, developer, and entrepreneurs. So you have the open tokenized governance system, open internet services, autonomous casters, and you can fundraising if you have a nice idea on this ecosystem. So build open internet services to provide the world with alternative to build tech. So closed proprietary internet services like Interscar, GitHub, Gmail, Indeed, and so on. So open photo, open write, but now you can create something different, but decentralized way, and this is really cool. Imagine being able to create a hyperscale internet services in just 1,000 lines of code. This is really powerful. Can is a simple DAPPS like TikTok, and it's stream video. It's synthesized with token. So they need to bring use case for the people, so developers or entrepreneurs, to know which kind of thing they want to bring into this, what is possible to build over here, and to build a DAPPS, and this is really important. So tokenization make the can concept more company. Open internet services run autonomously as part of the internet, just like blockchain enabling the application of Revol growth driving token system. So just an example, I'm not going to read everything, but this is a use case, Gangan. It's like a video sharing, like linking. So I'm going to keep going with the slide. The open internet boom is creating wave of exciting new opportunity for entrepreneur, developer, and investor worldwide. It's very exciting, the crypto space, because now we're going to people's building applications that will become the next Google, the next Amazon, that will be valuing in $1 trillion or billion, I don't know, but the future is very promising in the futures. So venture funds have earned making billions of dollars to invest to open internet and crypto project. Even and Andreessen Horowitz, they provide beacon funds for politician capital. Politician capitals and Andreessen Horowitz, they provide money so you can have an idea and you can receive beacon fund to develop over the internet computers. Moreover, the founders of tokenized open internet services can use the decentralized internet to fundraise from anywhere. So combine high-level language into WebAssembly canister using an SDK. So you have the roots language and the Motoko language SDK Definity.org that you can, this is the language that you can build for the internet computers. So participate in the network covenant, create a neuron and the network nervous system. So load LCP token and neuron and earn voting reward. So what's that mean? So ICP utility token enable participant in an algorithm open governance system call it the network nervous system, which securely manage and update the network in addition of to being the source of cycle which power computers. So you can reward some benefit if you buy probably the token and you stake it. You're going to receive the probably I'm not quite sure at this stage. I'm just presuming from what I'm reading. So I invite you to dig deeper in that case. If you can generate money, if you can just buy the token and to be a validator on the neuron network and earn voting reward. So voting can work semi-automatically. Neuron can be configured to follow other neuron and vote mostly automatically according to rules. Okay, so you can, because if you don't have the time to check all the time which proposal they have, or if you are on vacation for whatever reason, so you can automate it. You can automate you a vote on the network and get probably a reward. So participate in the data center opportunity. Help the internet computer scale to millions of nodes. So you have a data center, you have a good opportunity probably to generate a passive income, mining probably the token of this internet computers. So please contact the Definite Foundation or Internet Computer Association for assistance with the data center opportunity. So they have right now over 874 non-machines, 4 manufacturers, over 40 plus funding partners. Pretty outstanding. Mainnet Decentralized is in progress. The Mercury Network initiates the December 2020. So as you can see, this is something very new. It's very exciting. They are in the top 20 right now, and I think I'm going to keep going creating other article because I find this project interesting. And in the meantime, I'm going to close this beautiful vlog for the love of crypto and coffee. I invite you to take a couple of actions for this great channel. I invite you to subscribe to this wonderful channel right now. Leave a nice comment below if you have any question, insight, or you want to share a gem that you want me to talk on this channel. Go for it. Leave a nice comment below. Smash the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. Bing, bing, bing to get notified every single day from Monday through Sunday, every day at 9 a.m. time, my friend. And as well, you can spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, industry, and school for great content of value. You can come visit my outstanding website, satoshi.com. You can as well subscribe to my newsletters and podcast. And have a great day ahead, my friend. Thank you for watching this great video. See you tomorrow for another one at 9 a.m. time with great content of value every day. Keep smiling and see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.